Affordability in the London market seems to be getting better, which is good news for home buyers. Today, we're going to go over the stats and numbers for July, and I'll break everything down so you can stay updated on the market here in London, Ontario. It's all going to start right after this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendrick Blanchard with HouseSigma Real Estate Brokerage. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to stay updated on all future content. And like I said, we're going to go over the stats and numbers for the real estate market here in London, Ontario. If you're looking to get into the market or you're a seller wanting to make a move, I've left my calendar link down below in the description where you can book a one-on-one directly into my calendar with a few simple clicks. Let's get into it. The average sale price of homes in London continue to fall due to rising interest rates, which are determined by the Bank of Canada to combat inflation. Our next scheduled rate increase is on September 7th, but what actually becomes of that is dependent on July's inflation data. If we continue to see runaway inflation, then we might see continued larger than expected hikes. If we see better than expected data, then the Bank of Canada could stop their rate hiking cycle. But what actually becomes of this? Nobody knows. Anyway, enough of that. Let's jump into the stats. As we continue through the summer market, the average sold price continues to drop. For July, the average sold price of a home was $673,000, down from $688,000 in June. That's a 2.2% difference in 1 month, bringing the average sale price down $150,000 since February's peak. With that said, I think it's also important to know that we're still up 8.2% from this time last year. Next up, we have the active listings, and there's still a ton to choose from if you're looking for a new home. There's only been a slight decline in the numbers since last month, and currently for the month of July, the active listings came in at 1210 versus June at 1240. So, still lots of great deals to be had right now, and I continue to see some sellers offering to pay some of the buyer's closing costs just to get the deal done. Now, when we look at months of inventory, and if you don't know what that is, it just means if no more houses are put on the market starting today, it's how long the current active listings would last if the homes keep selling at the rate they've been going. We've seen another increase here, with July coming in at 3.2, which means that we have almost 3.5 months of inventory, which at this point will still likely only continue to grow. Next up, we've got the sales to list price ratio, and this also fell in July. And for those who don't know what a sales to list price ratio is, it just means the amount over asking that a home sold for. In July, this ratio was 98.9, down from 102 in June. That's a 3% difference. For example, based on the ratio of 98.9, if a home was listed for $700,000, it would have sold for $692,300. Now, for the buyer's perspective and understanding pricing strategies here in London. Considering my last update was less than 2 weeks ago, not much has changed here. I'm still seeing less and less homes being underlisted, meaning homes are starting to be marketed for exactly what they're worth, with offers on a first come, first served basis. I'm also seeing a bunch of overpriced properties with unrealistic asking prices. Either way, there's a ton of deals to be had. Just make sure the comparable sales support your offer price. That was London's July market update. Please share this with your friends if you found this information helpful. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me directly. And if you're looking to get into the market or you're a seller wanting to make a move, just head down in the description and use my Calendly link to book a one-on-one call with me directly. I hope that helps everyone. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.